Hello and Assalamualaikum. Good day to everyone. My name is Wibisono. I'm a postgraduate student from Inti International University, Malaysia. I'm here on behalf of my co-authors to present our paper with the title of a AI-based recruiting platform in the recruitment process and quality of hiring. This is the presentation outline. I'm here to discuss the aim of the paper, literature review, survey, and also the comparative study of two AI-based recruiting platforms. So I will start with the introduction. As we know that the phenomena of digital transformation has led to the evolution of talent acquisition, as mentioned by Jikam and Agostino, and artificial intelligence will be one of the technology that can be implemented as well as invested to the organization to enhance their recruitment process. And also mentioned by Javed that the recruitment process takes a lot of time to complete since there are various manual process involved in the recruitment process. So the aim of the paper is actually to research how the AI technology can influence the HR activities and improve the process better. So the research will be done through the literature review and also the distributing questionnaire to HR personnel and job seeker, and also observation. And lastly, the other aim of this paper is also to review and conduct comparative study towards two AI-based recruiting platform in the market. So this is the recruitment process by Ordanini and Silvestri 2008, that the process starts with the job advertising, screening process, selection procedure, and offering decision. And as we can see over here, the process take time in the screening process and selection procedure. So before using the AI in the recruitment process, as mentioned by Javed, that the recruitment process takes a lot of time to complete, as we have seen in the previous slide. And then organizations start to see the major trend in human resource is using AI. And they realize that AI will transform the recruitment process into more effective way. And the thing that they believe that efficient and fair screening process is what they will see and what they will get from using AI. And also they will start utilizing the function offered by the platform to upgrade their hiring process. Also, why they are using AI in the recruitment, because they want to save time and cost, and to automate the bug processes into more efficient, because as mentioned, the sourcing candidate, test the candidate, soft skill competency assessment, this all take a lot of time to complete. And also through using AI, they can obtain intelligent decision making while choosing the best candidate for the job. And also mentioned by Agustino that by doing this, it can make a significant impact for the organization. So through the process of AI can be done through several stages to evaluate the candidate automatically by using the algorithm. As mentioned by Upadhyay and Javed, that this algorithm help to evaluate the word choices, speech patterns, as well as the facial expression of the candidate to assess if the candidate fit for the role. So the algorithm able to assess verbal and non-verbal. And this is the AI in talent acquisition by Oracle. As we can see over here that the need rises for improving the ability to identify candidate with the needed competencies, which is 66%, followed by spend less time shifting through resumes or the resume screening. So these two are actually the requirements and the reason why they want to use AI in the recruitment process. And this is the survey that we have conducted among the HR personnel. So among all the questions, we have obtained positive feedback, except for AI recruiting platform can replace human recruiter in the recruitment process. Somehow they gave a negative feedback, means that they somehow disagree. And also we get neutral feedback on AI recruiting platform can ease the recruitment process. We assume that some of them maybe do not have the experience in HR activities. And this is the survey for the job applicants that we have obtained positive feedbacks on all the questions, except one, which is the AI recruiting platform can conduct live interview better than a human recruiter. Also, we got the neutral feedback. We can assume that maybe some of them do not have the experience yet, or they think that somehow um, the human is much better than the AI. But then they also think, okay, maybe the system also much better than the human. So that's why it is more on the neutral. And this is the AI-based recruiting platform in the market that we have according to the search for net, such as Zopa AI, Agnesio, TalkPush, HireVue, Manatal. And in this paper, we are choosing HireVue and Manatal because of their popularity and also the positive feedback from the user that we have obtained from several blogs. Also, as stated by Strazula, that HireVue is among the top 12, and also it placed at the first position as the top interviewing video in 2021. So a little bit about the HireVue. It was founded in 2004 and headquartered in South Jordan. It is able to deliver the best talent, video interview much faster, and also conducting several assessments for the candidate. It also able to screen the candidate and conduct the interview session online. And also regarding the pricing, it is very complex. So it is based on what product the organization choose. Either it is just a video interviewing or video interviewing along with the full assessment. And mentioned by Brunskill that HireVue pays between $25 to $175 per interview. So which is actually why it is HireVue is 34% more expensive than the average platform. And another hand, Manatal was founded recently, which was in 2017 and headquartered in Thailand. It was designed with a fun environment and also user-friendly platform, as mentioned by William. And it has the applicant tracking system to locate and source the right talent pool. And also regarding the pricing, it has three categories: a professional, enterprise, and customized category. Each of them has different features that the organization can see. But let's say the organization want to fully customize, they can choose the customized category. And this is the key features between HireVue and Manatal that we have obtained uh, with the service offered, such as the platform supported audience, training, products. And one of the highlight here is the recruiting features that we can see HireVue provide more assessment for the measuring the competencies or the technical or soft skill of the candidates. And also the integration with the communication, seems HireVue has more integrations compared to Manatal. And this is the implication on the recruitment process. Each of these platform has a positive and negative implication towards the recruitment process. So we see the positive impact from HireVue, that first it has the sourcing and screening phase in the recruitment process, allow the candidate to self-schedule the interview dates, and also the candidate able to submit the video reviews. Whereas for Manatal, it has the automated resume parsing, scheduling, and also able to choose the suitable candidate within short time, able to eliminate a lot of manual entry, and also easy to narrow down the best candidate. And whereas for the negative impact from the HireVue towards the recruitment process is that the tool adoption are not user-friendly. The platform does not accept Excel upload, and also slow performance in downloading content. Whereas for Manatal, it has problem with the interface, as mentioned by many users that they want the interface to be improved, and then limited integration with communication platform and take a lot of time to process a large amount of resumes. And on the other hand, this is the implication on quality of hiring. As also the same as before, that each of the platform has positive and negative implication. And for the HireVue, the positive implication, it has a software ranking algorithm to choose the candidate, and then data point from video interview, and then it has several assessment to analyze the competency of the candidate, and also it has a in-depth reporting capability. Whereas for Manatal, able the Manatal able to organize the candidate and their progress. It can centralize all the communication with the company and also the candidate, and then manage the concern of the candidates automatically. Whereas the negative implication for HireVue, the response time are restricted, node features is very confusing, and the technical for both the company and the candidate. Whereas for the Manatal, the interface is also very confusing and limited offer to multinational language in the career page. So we come to the conclusion that to pick the suitable AI-based recruiting platform, it is important to see the features. But then, as an organization, we need to understand the objective. What are the objective? What is the purpose of them choosing AI? What is the purpose of them uh, shifting to AI and invest on them? If it's just for improving the recruitment process, then maybe can select the good features but with the lower price. But in case they want to have a more effective and efficient method to select the best candidate with the required competencies, then we're suggesting to use HireVue, because HireVue has several assessments that will really help them to assess the candidate based on their technical skill and also the job skill. And also apart from that, why we are suggesting HireVue, because HireVue also able to source, screen, and schedule the candidate for the interview. And also, as I mentioned in the previous slide, the other benefits of HireVue. Okay, so that is all from my presentation. I would like to thank you, and that is all, and I will end my presentation now. Thank you so much.